Welcome back to the Wahle-Tec YouTube channel. I regularly have to print to multiple printers. Most of the time it's just to fulfill Shopify orders from our website. But that means that I print packing slips on a standard printer, and I print thermal 4x6 shipping labels on a thermal label printer. This requires a bunch of extra steps to print because you have to generate it as a certain size, and then you have to swap to the correct printer, select the right one, and then print to that printer. And then your presets are set for that one, but the next thing you always have to print is always the opposite if you're going one at a time. So I came up with a little project to try to make this easier. And so this is an application that I just released on GitHub called Paperboy, and it's a automatic print router. So what you do is you set up a watch directory, and anything that's dropped in there will be matched against a set of rules, and it will be piped out to the appropriate printer. What this means is that you can get a little Raspberry Pi, throw Ubuntu on it, install Paperboy, and set up a share folder for all of your other computers for your whole business or whatever you want to do. You can use this for anything. It's very just generic print routing. I just couldn't find anything that did exactly what this does. So I went with the, make something that does the job well, hopefully. Please let me know if there are any issues. I'll try to fix any bugs or issues that are reported on the GitHub. And if anyone in your network drops something to print into that folder, it will automatically check it against the rules going from top to bottom. I like to put a catch-all at the bottom that's just print to standard printer. So your catch-all is print to your most used printer, and then anything above that will be all of your special case printers. Then anything that matches the description of that, whether it be, you can choose from different sizes of documents to black and white. So you could have a black and white printer and a color printer, and you can, anything that's black and white goes to one printer, anything that's color goes to the other printer. So you can set up any rule that you want, and then this runs as a daemon, just a background process that watches that folder, and anything that's dropped in that folder gets printed to the appropriate printer. It's made a big difference for me recently, just in the last couple days. Really easy, and I think it's useful. So I'm putting it out on GitHub. Links will be in the description, and I hope you guys check it out if you have a use for it. I think that anybody who runs a Shopify shop will absolutely could use this, because this is a constant battle for me. There's a web UI, and so it just install it on. You can install and configure it all CLI, but there is a UI for configuration, and you can install it. Has a app icon and everything. Thanks for taking a look. Have a great day.